How to fix WhatsApp is not responding on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp is not responding on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then apps again, and here just type here WhatsApp, and first thing go to storage, clear cache, and then go to permissions, enable all of those permissions here, storage, phone, microphone, just click on it and click allow, and after that just go back and then restart your phone, click restart, and that's it. Try again, your problem must be fixed, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.